while there were so many other factors that we had to manage along the way on this project, whether it be mechanical, structural, zoning, and permitting issues, the homeowner's key objective was to open this space up and allow for more people to spend time together in this kitchen. When we started with this kitchen, that was virtually impossible. This wall was closed off. The kitchen was confined to about 5 square feet in the corner. You had a range, you had an apartment fridge, a sink, and that's it. What we were able to achieve by removing this wall served more than just the kitchen. The dining room was previously squeezed into a 5-foot space over here, and this wall really limited the ability to even walk around the table, let alone when people were sitting down at it. But the removal of that wall also brought in all this natural light that was previously hidden before. As we move through the space, you'll see that now we have a full-size refrigerator, now we have a full-size range. Previously there was a chimney here, and that served as the end of the run for the kitchen. And then you would walk through a doorway here, which would be the second doorway to the basement, and you don't need that. So what we did was we covered it up. We ran the wall all the way into the corner, allowing us to extend our countertops all the way over here, and thus quadruple the amount of cabinetry and counter space that the kitchen previously had. There are a lot of tricks and tips to making more space in a kitchen than just simply widening the footprint, extending the cabinetry, little things like putting your trash in the cabinet so you don't have a can sitting out that you have to trip over, or getting the microwave off the counter and putting it below the counter because it doesn't need to take up valuable countertop space. In addition to moving this wall, in order to bring that light all the way through to the front of the house, we also removed this wall to mimic what was already present on the other side of the stairwell. So we matched both sides of the stairwell, allowing the natural light to flood through and for all of the rooms to communicate well with each other.